So, well, students, we continue problems on type 1 of topic integration. Which, this is our 5th class, C5. It is understood second PUC, not first PUC. So, first two periods almost we engaged in defining integration, basic formulas, etc. Then we started type 1 problems. Type 1 problems just use of basic formulas of integration. Still, some more we work under this head. Evaluate. Integration x square into bracket 1 minus 1 divided by x square dx. First step, start from I as usual. Let I equals to integration x square into bracket 1 minus 1 divided by x square dx. When we refer list of formulas, we don't have formula for this kind of expression. Better we first multiply bracket from x square. On multiplying x square into 1, x square minus x square into 1 divided by x square. Next step, integration x square remains same, whereas here x square will cancel out, leaving out 1. Now we can apply some rule of integration, means we can decompose into two integrations. First integration for x square, second integration for 1. So that is equals to integration of x square dx minus integration of 1 dx. By using standard formulas, integration of x square means x cube divided by 3, whereas integration of 1 dx is x plus a constant. Any arbitrary constant can be added. It may be a, b or c or d, but not all, any one. Next problem. Quite similarity will be there. I don't know problem number, you please go on maintaining that number of problems, because I will not give more importance for that number of problems. We have to give importance how much you people understanding, how much you are getting knowledge, that is important, rather than counting the number of problems. Next problem. Evaluate. Evaluate integration x cube into bracket x square plus 1 divided by x power 4. So just identical to last problem. First step will be as usual, beginning from notation I. Solution. Let I equal to integration of x cube into bracket x square plus 1 divided by x to the power of 4. And easily we can expect that for this arrangement we don't have formula of integration, and even we can't break into two integrations because there is extra product of x cube. We first open the bracket from x cube. After opening bracket from x cube into x square will become x to the power of 5, because 3 plus 2, 5. And here x cube divided by x power 4, x cube cancel out, 1 divided by x. Now we can apply some rule of integration. First term, integration of x power 5 dx plus second term, integration of 1 by x dx. By using standard noted formulas of integration, how much integration of x power 5? It will be x power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 means x power 6 divided by 6. Whereas integration of 1 by x will be defined by log x or ln of x plus constant. Next problem. Evaluate. I remind that all these problems just to make you people perfect in basic formulas of integration, so that next coming type of problems can be easily worked out. But this is a platform. If this is, you have a good platform on this type of problems, you can go for next coming problems with a little bit easy manner. That's why I am just attempting here more number of problems. Next problem, evaluate. Integration 7 power x plus x power 7 minus 2 tan 3x plus 5 e raised to minus 2x. dx understood. Solution. Start from notation I. Let I equal to given integration problem, that is integration of 7 power x plus x power 7 minus 2 tan 3x plus 5 e to the power minus 2x. We can apply some rule of integration, means on breaking the integration for how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. While breaking, if there is a multiplying constant, should be kept outside that integration. First one, integration of 7 power x. Second one, integration of x power 7. Minus 2 outside into integration of tan 3x. 5 outside into integration of e raised to minus 2x. For each, we need to apply their own type of formula. And one more thing, keep in mind, it is impossible to write all the formulas on board. And if I write all the formulas on board, there will not be a space to solve a problem. That's the problem, isn't it? So, I told already in the last classes, write all the formulas in separate page, read them very frequently and try to become command in those formulas, perfect in those formulas. But at least keep that formula page in front of you while these topic classes are going, and try to utilize the right formula at right stage. Now see the list of formula. That's your job. It is just like integration of a power x. So integration of a power x formula is a power x divided by log a. Here 7 power x divided by log 7. Plus, this is not in the form of a power x, but this is in the form of x power n. So that formula to be implemented. So integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here x power 7 plus 1 means 8 divided by 8 minus 2. But actually we get 2 divided by 3. See the formula. What is integration of tan x? Log of secant x. But there is a coefficient of x 3, so we should divide it. So it's more precisely 2 by 3 log secant of 3x. Plus actually becomes minus with an advanced thinking, because the integration of e to the power of minus 2x is e to the power of minus 2x divided by minus 2. That can be marked as minus 5 divided by 2 into e to the power of minus 2x plus constant. Next problem. If f dash of x equals to x cubed plus x squared plus 1, what you are given is that f dash x and f of 1 is equal to 1. F of 1 means function value at x equal to 1 is equal to 1, then find it. F of 0. So given f dash x along with condition for f of 1 as 1, using these two we have to get the f of 0. And more importantly, when you want to get f of 0, you have to get first f of x. After getting f of x equal to whatever expression in that, by putting x equal to 0, we can easily get f of 0. But we first require to get f of x. For that, we have to make use of f dash x. For that, we should not differentiate, because when we differentiate, we will get f double dash of x. But our aim is to get f of x. Obviously, given equation has to be integrated. So write solution, take given function and integrate on both sides. First write given data. Given. What's being given? F dash of x equal to given as x cubed plus x squared plus 1. You may call it as equation 1. But we are in the way of finding f of x. For that we have to integrate 1, but not differentiating. Keep that in mind. Integrating 1 with respect to x. On integrating 1 with respect to x, left side integration of f dash of x dx. Right side integration of entire expression x cubed plus x squared plus 1 dx. Now, what is integration of f dash of x? F of x. Don't think that integration, differentiation get cancelled. Doesn't get cancelled because of their converse process. When they meet each other, they will merge one. Means they, as if we can think, as if they will cancel one another, but not actual cancellation. Right hand side. We have to split the integration. First one, integration of x cubed plus integration of x square plus integration of 1 dx. Now, f of x equals to right hand side. How much integration of x cube? X power 4 by 4. Integration of x square, x cube divided by 3. Whereas integration of 1 will be x plus constant c. You call this as equation 2. By chance, if our question is that find f of x, given f dash x, find f of x, you could always stop here. This is what f of x. But we have to get f of 0 using f of 1. So for very first, put x equal to 1 in equation 2. Put x equals to 1 in equation 2. F of 1. Right hand side, 1 power 4 is 1 by 4. 1 cube is 1 by 3. Plus 1 remains same. Plus c, when plus x becomes plus 1. Plus c remains same. Use the data. How much f of 1? 1 equals to. In these two terms, we can take LCM, if you wish. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 3 into 1, 3. 4 into 1, 4. 3 plus 4 by 12. Plus 1 plus. Now on both sides, 1, 1 will cancel out by the way of addition and subtraction. So 0 equal to 7 by 12 plus 0 equal to 7 by 12 plus c implies that c equal to how much? Minus 7 by 12, which gives c is equals to minus of 7 divided by 12. Now let us substitute c value in equation 2. Substitute value of c in equation 2. Now write substituting c equal to minus 7 by 12 in equation 2. So that f of x equals to x power 4 by 4 plus x cube by 3 plus x plus c. C means minus 7 by 12. Now from this we can estimate f of 0. To find f of 0 in this equation, put x equal to 0. Now to find f of 0. For this purpose, we put x equal to 0 in equation 3. Put x equal to 0 in 3. Left side, f of 0. Right side, 0 power 4 is 0 by 4. 0 cube is 0 by 3 plus 0 minus 7 divided by 12, or f of 0 equals to 0 by 4 0, 0 by 3 0, plus 0 0, everything 0 except minus 7 by 12. And finally, 0 minus 7 by 12 will be minus 7 by 12. That's the final answer for f of 0. It's no wonder it may be given to find f of 2 also. If it is given to find f of 2, put x equal to 2 and simplify. If it is given to find f of minus 1, here put x equal to minus 1 and simplify. That's it. Next question. Under type 1 only still, I said we go up to type 9 and type 10, most probably still we are in type 1. As I told, it's a very vast topic, very big topic it is. Next question. If f dash of x equals to 4x cubed minus 3 divided by x power 4 and f of 2 equal to 0, f of 2 given as 0, then find f of 1. So like in the last question, we need to approach the steps. First write given thing. What is given thing? Given that f dash of x equals to 4x cubed minus 3 divided by x power 4. Call 1. We have to get first f of x, for that we integrate 1 on both sides. Integrating 1 with respect to x on both sides. Left side integration of f dash x dx. Right side integration of 4x cubed minus 3 divided by x power 4. But what is integration of f dash x? F of x. In the right hand side, we need to break the integration. First one, 4 into integration of x cubed dx minus 3 into integration. We write better in the format of power at a numerator part. So at numerator part, 1 by x power 4 will become x to the power of minus 4. Further, f of x equals to 4 into. What is integration of x cubed? X power 4 by 4. Minus 3. Integration of x power minus 4 is x power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 means minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus constant c. So now f of x equals to here 4 cancels. Here minus 3 cancels. Left is x power 4 plus x power minus 3 plus c. call 2. We use given data. What is given data? F of 2 equal to given as 0. So put x equal to 2 in the equation. F of 2 equals to 2 power 4 plus 2 power minus 3 plus c. F of 2 is given as 0. 2 power 4, 16. It is actually 1 by 2 cube. Means 1 divided by 8 plus c. So c becomes minus of 16 plus 1 by 8, or c equals to minus of LCM 8, 16 into 8, that is 80 plus 48, 128 plus 1, or c equals to minus 129 by 8. Now this value of c we shall put in equation 2 without fail. Next write substituting value of c in equation 2, so that f of x equals to x power 4 plus x power minus 3 minus 1 divided by minus 129 divided by 8. This is f of x. But further we are asking to find what f of 1. Put here x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1 in equation to get f of 1. So f of 1 equals to 1 power 4 plus 1 power minus 3 minus 129 divided by 8. Or f of 1 equals to 1 power 4 is 1. 1 power minus 3 is also 1. Minus 129 by 8. Or f of 1 equals to 2 minus 129 by 8. LCM 8. 8 into 2, 16. F of 1 equal to 16 minus 129 by 8. So when we subtract 129 from 16, the result will be minus 113 minus 113 divided by 8. That's the final answer. Another 2 problems under this type, then we shall go to type 2 problems. Right, next question. Find or evaluate integration 1 by x x plus 2 minus 5y 2x plus 3 plus 4y 5 minus x dx. Take I equal to given problem. Let I equal to integration 1 by x plus 2 minus 5 divided by 2x plus 3 plus 4 divided by 5 minus x. We now need to break the integration into three terms. First one, integration of 1 by x plus 2 minus 5 into integration of 1 by 2x plus 3 plus 4 into integration of 1 by 5 minus x. All are in the form of just like integration of 1 by x. What is integration of 1 by x? Log x. But instead of x, we have x plus 2. Or else this extended form, integration 1 by ax plus b equal to 1 by a log of ax plus b. For all three, that form has to be implemented. First one become log x plus 2. Second one, log of 2x plus 3 with extra divided by a. What is a? 2. Means 1 by 2 log of 2x plus 3. And here is quite important. No doubt your answer is log, 100% log of 5 minus x. But you do the mistake that for getting coefficient of x. Here, what was the coefficient of x? 2, we divided. What was the coefficient of x? 1, not taken care. But here, importantly, what is the coefficient of x? Minus 1. Because after all, it can be written as 5 plus minus 1 into x. So, your answer is log of 5 minus x divided by minus 1. 4 by minus 1. This is very important step into log of 5 minus x plus constant. Or you can write lastly 4 by minus 1 is minus 4. So one more problem under this type 1. Find or evaluate. Evaluate integration x divided by x plus 4 dx. First step, take I. Let I equal to given problem. And right now this formula we cannot apply because there is an extra term x at numerator. But you can't take x outside the integration. Variables never be kept outside the integration or differentiation. You know it. Only constant can be kept outside the inside but not the variables. If that kind of provision is there, like keeping variables outside the integration differentiation, calculus completes in fraction of minutes. So you can't take variables outside of integration or differentiation. So we shall get the term x plus 4 in numerator. For that we add and subtract 4 in numerator. So I becomes integration x plus 4 minus 4 divided by x plus 4 dx. We now split the terms on spreading the terms. X plus 4 cancels 1. Next term minus 4 divided by x plus 4. Now we can make two integrations. First one, integration of 1 dx minus 4 into integration of 1 by x plus 4 dx. But what is integration of 1 dx? X. 4 into integration of 1 by x plus 4 is log of x plus 4. No extra dividing because x coefficient is 1 plus constant. So these are problems concerned to type 1. Let's come to type 2 problems. Type 2 problems are under the way. Here we require to use first suitable trigonometrical identities of PUC first year. After using suitable trigonometrical formulas, then we need to apply integration formulas. So like type 2. Type 2 is that evaluation of integrals by using or by applying suitable trigonometrical identities. Type 2. Evaluation of integrals. It's finding the values of integrals. Evaluation of integrals using suitable trigonometrical identities. So in the coming problems, you may require to use sin square plus cos square formula. You may require to use sin a plus b formula, cos a plus b formula, sin a minus b formula, sin c plus sin d formula, sin c minus sin d formula, cos c plus cos d formula, sin 2a formula, sin 3a formula, even sin 4a formula, tan 3a, cot 3a, tan a plus b, cot a plus b. You met several trigonometrical identities in the past year, means first year PUC. So those must be here presented at right step. Then you need to apply integration formula. So in this coming every problem, first suitable trigonometrical identity formula, then suitable integration formulas. So two steps are very key in these coming problems. First step 1. What I am telling for the coming problems. Step 1. Use suitable trigonometrical identity formula. After that, step 2, and importantly, use a suitable trigonometric identity formula and simplify if required there, and simplify the same expression if required, and simplify. Step 2. Apply suitable integration formula. So in this coming every problem, first apply suitable trigonometrical identity formula, then apply suitable integration formula at constant C. So let's have problems on this type. And one more thing, keep in mind very correctly, we have formula for integration of secant square. We have formula for integration of cosec square. But for other formulas, like for sine square, cos square, tan square, cot square, etc., we don't have formula of integration, but you have to apply first a trigonometrical formula, then you have to apply integration formula. Only for secant square, cosec square, there is a formula of integration, but not for other expressions like sin square, cos square, tan square, cot square. We need to apply first trigonometrical formulas. First problem. And the type find or evaluate. Find integration of sine square 2x dx. Take I. Let I equal to integration of sine square 2x dx. If we don't have this power 2, then we have a direct integration formula. Integration of sin x minus cos x, here minus cos 2x by 2. If at all we don't have this power 2, because of power 2, directly we can't apply integration formula. We apply trigonometrical formula, that to be sine square formula in terms of non-power. Because of this power we are getting the problem for integration, we need to use a non-power formula for sine square. That is like this. We know that from trigonometry. We know that sine square equals to 1 minus cos of 2a divided by 2. And that of cos square formula is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Using this formula. This is the only suitable. Other things are not suitable. Even though sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square, but not helpful because we don't want this power. I equals integration 1 minus cos of 2 times of a. What is a? 2a divided by 2. Further, I equals to integration 1 minus 2 into 2 becomes 4x. 1 minus cos 4x divided by 2. So now we can break the two integrations with 1 by 2 outside. 1 by 2. First one, integration of 1 dx minus second one, integration of cos 4x dx. What is integration of 1 dx? X. 1 by 2. Integration of 1 dx is x, and integration of cos 4x is sin 4x. Not only sin 4x, you have to think of whether multiplied or divided because of integration, divided by 4 plus c. This formula is very crucial. But if same problem given for differentiation, this formula not necessary, can be applied but not necessary because we have composite function differentiation rule. However, the composite function integration does not exist. That's why this formula is essential. Next problem. Evaluate. integration of cos square 3x plus 2 dx. First step I. Let I equal to integration of cos square of 3x plus 2 dx. Again, because of this power, we cannot apply integration formula. We use trigonometry formula. This one we know that cos square A. Cos square of angle formula is 1 plus cos of 2a divided by 2. Here a means how much? 3x plus 2. Now I becomes 1 plus cos of double of present angle. Present angle is 3x plus 2 whole divided by 2. One by 2 outside. 1 by 2 into integration. 1 plus cos of 2 into 3 become 6x, 2 into 2 become 4, cos of 6x plus 4 divided by 2. Of course, by the already kept outside. Now we split the integration 1 by 2 into first one. Integration of 1 dx plus second one. Integration of cos 6x plus 4 dx. Apply suitable integration formula 1 by 2. What is integration of 1 dx? X. Next, integration of cos function is right, no doubly sine function. Sine of 6x plus 4. Now you have to think of divided by. Divided by not an unrelated number, related number to coefficient of x. What's the coefficient of x? 6. So divided by 6 plus. It's not a unique problem. Like this I can solve daily the same kind of problem. Next, cos square of 4x plus 5, cos square of 5x plus 6, cos square of 7x plus 2, cos square of 9x plus 1, cos square of minus 2x plus 3, cos square of 100x plus 2, cos square of x by 2 plus 5. Like this, I can waste the time only in that one problem. No use. That's why I told, don't be silly manner. Sir solved in class 3x plus 2, in exam came 5x plus 2, out of the syllabus. No. Tell that out of your reach of mind. Don't tell that out of syllabus. So in mathematics, numbers will be different, but method remains same. Why I am pointing out quite frequently? Because some students are under this impression. Deshpande sir not solved in book like 3x plus 2, he solved like 2x plus 3. Very, very silly mathematics. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Evaluate integration of tan square x dx. Observe, we have a formula for integration of sec square, but not for tan square. First step, I. Let I equal to integration of tan square x dx. We use the trigonometry formula. What is that? We know that 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. Or from this, what is tan square A? Secant square A minus 1. Hence, I equals to integration of secant square x minus 1. Now we can break the integration. First term, integration of secant square x minus integration of 1 d. What is integration of secant square x? Tan x. Integration of 1 dx is x plus constant. Like this, still we have some more number of questions under this type 2. We shall meet in the tomorrow class. Thank you.